Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Peach Slice's l-glutathione Glow On Brightening Toner. This product retails for $18. As always, Peach Slices is releasing hard-hitting formulas. They have their Super Fade collection, but now this is a part of a new collection emphasizing glowy skin. I'm really excited to see how this differs, and I cannot wait to see what the level of ingredients look like in this formula and what they have done with it, because it looks to be really hard-hitting. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize licorice root extract along with l-glutathione, vitamin C, glycerin, and polyglutamic acid. Check, 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 check. Always with Peach Slices, I'm really impressed by their ingredients and their price point, so I cannot wait to see how this performs. To check those out, you can click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The things I'm going to be looking for include what do I notice with it, what finish does it leave, how often do I feel like I can use it, and do I experience any sensitivity? Since this is a dark spot brightening treatment, I'm not going to be looking for long-term results in this trial, but if I do continue to love it, I will keep you posted through short form content. As for anything else, I'm continuing to check in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm going to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I'm very excited. I cannot wait to try this out. You do get a good amount, 4.05 fluid ounces, and it's very distinctive with the packaging. They really did well with this. Excited to see what type of toner this is. It's going to be a more watery. Oh, it's very watery. It is no texture. Let me not make a mess. It is no texture to a toner whatsoever. Super watery, but has a nice moisturizing ability. It does feel like it's going to dry down pretty nice. It's not tacky, not sticky. Nothing negative that I'm seeing with it, at least so far. So I'm gonna take just a couple of shakes of this out. I do like when brands go for treatment-based products that are very lightweight like this, because it kind of opens the door for any skin type to use it. It doesn't smell the best. It's not anything that's terribly noticeable, but it is something that I'm noticing right off the bat. It's gonna have a little bit of a vitamin C smell to it. Nothing too bad though. It's not overpowering. This is super lightweight. It dries down practically immediately upon patting it into the skin and is not heavy whatsoever. So I feel like any skin type could use it. No sensitivity, no dryness initially, but it is something I'm gonna need to continue using through more continued use to see how it performs. It is definitely very lightweight, doesn't add too much moisture, so I feel like they really intended this to be loved for the treatment aspect. That's about all I can tell you right now. I'm gonna continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I am beyond impressed with the level of ingredients that Peach Slices always includes in their formulas. And I love this one for its lightweight ability to deliver a great balancing and brightening blend of ingredients to the skin, all for a good price point. The toner aspect of it I found was very beneficial because I feel like any skin type could find brightening benefits from this. This was more of a first impression review. I did see some subtly glowing effects to my skin, but ultimately I think it did come from just the lightweight hydration that it did give my skin. Was more internal, but I noticed when I am hydrating my skin like this, it does look a little bit more glowy. I am going to need to continue using this to see if it does continue to show results more long term, because brightening benefits are definitely something you have to be patient with, and this toner is no different. Didn't see that many brightening benefits with this, but I didn't see anything negative with it as well. Very gentle, very considerate of the skin barrier. I feel like if you struggle with a lot of discoloration and you want a more gentle approach to treating that, may not be the most effective treatment, but I did enjoy this. And I liked it because Peach Slice's other discoloration products are a little bit more moisturizing. It's a little bit more lightweight, where I feel like any skin type could use it, and that's why I like it so much. It is a great option. I found it worked beautifully to not cause any sensitivity, and I could use it twice a day, every day. And I also noticed I could use it in pair with a lot of my skincare actives as well, such as azelaic acid, retinoids. It's kind of just a booster style product that was a little bit more gentle. You could use it by itself if you have more sensitive skin, or you could use it as a booster like I did. Obviously listen to skincare experts when making decisions regarding that, but still wonderful option. Would 100% recommend trying it for the value, for the level of ingredients they loaded down in here. I'm really impressed off of first impression, and I also feel like it did show subtle texture benefits as well. I have been dealing with a little bit of texture from buildup on my face, and I feel like I have a good routine to combat that, so I can't really testify for those benefits with this product, but I do feel like it was helping that subtly. Did notice a slight difference when I did start incorporating this product. Ultimately, wonderful option. I feel like the value alone with the standout ingredients made it worth it. Didn't notice anything negative, didn't break me out, didn't cause anything irregular with my skin, and I really enjoyed this toner. I feel like the lightweightability and the value are the best standout features of it, and that's why I would 100% recommend trying it and why I loved it so much. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.